You're trying to be a good husband, but if you're honest, there are days when it just doesn't feel like enough. You show up for your wife, you work hard for your wife, and you care deeply for your wife, but still, something feels off. Maybe it's the connection. The peace is not there like it used to be, or that spark between you and your wife that used to come naturally has faded. But if you ever thought, I just want to get this right, I want my marriage to work, you're in the right place. Welcome to I Will Be the Best Husband Ever. This is not a channel for men who want to play games in their marriage. It is for committed men who are still learning, still growing, men who want more than just a roommate in their marriage. You want connection with your wife. At the same time, you want respect. You want to be the kind of husband your wife can count on, not just for the bills, not just for protection, but for love, understanding, and emotional safety. This does not mean becoming soft as a man. It means becoming stronger in the ways that matter most. Nobody taught most of us how to be husbands. I didn't learn until much later in my life. We were told to provide, to protect, but never how to listen to our wife, not how to slow down during an argument, not how to deal with our own emotional walls, or how to lead when our confidence is running low. But that's what we're doing right here. This channel exists to help you grow, not just to be a better husband, but into a better version of yourself. Because when you grow, your marriage will grow. So if you're ready to stop guessing your way through marriage and start building something stronger, something lasting, something permanent, subscribe right now. And every week, I'm going to be right here, walking with you, speaking with you, and helping you become the husband your heart knows you can, the type of husband you want to be, and the type of husband your wife needs you to be. So let's grow together.